Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Jeera rice. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of basmati rice, 2 tablespoons of ghee, and 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Don't forget a pinch of salt and 2 cups of water. This simple dish is a fantastic accompaniment to many meals, offering a delightful aromatic flavor that's easy to achieve right in your own kitchen. Let's get started with the preparation steps. Now, let's prepare the rice. Rinse 1 cup of basmati rice under cold water until the water runs clear. This removes excess starch, ensuring fluffy grains. Then, soak the rice in water for about 15 to 20 minutes. Soaking helps the rice cook evenly and prevents it from breaking. After soaking, make sure to drain the rice completely. This step is crucial for achieving the perfect texture in your Jeera rice. Time to cook. Heat 2 tablespoons of ghee in a pot over medium heat. Once hot, add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds and sauté them for about 30 seconds until fragrant. Be careful not to burn them. Next, add the drained rice and 2 cups of water to the pot. Bring the mixture to a boil, then reduce the heat to low, cover, and let it simmer for 10 minutes. This gentle cooking ensures the rice absorbs all the flavors. Almost done. Once the rice has simmered for 10 minutes, remove the pot from the heat. Keep it covered and let it rest for 5 minutes. This allows the steam to redistribute, making the rice even fluffier. After resting, gently fluff the rice with a fork to separate the grains. You can garnish it with some fresh cilantro for extra flavor and color. Serve your warm, aromatic Jeera rice as a delightful side dish. Enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.